Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where we explore the latest innovations in the world of 2- and 3-wheelers. Today, we bring an exciting topic for the future of eco-transport, the 2026 Tata Electric Rickshaw with an impressive 400-kilometer range. This upcoming model could change the entire landscape of shorter-distance mobility and commercial transportation in India and surrounding regions. Let's explore what makes it so special. The 2026 Tata Electric Rickshaw is being viewed as a next-generation upgrade for rickshaw drivers and fleet operators. With rising fuel costs and pollution-based restrictions in major cities, electrification has become the need of the hour. Tata, known for commercial reliability, aims to provide a vehicle that is powerful, long-lasting, and extremely cost-efficient for daily business operation. This electric rickshaw is expected to serve both passenger mobility and goods transportation, opening opportunities for multiple earning sectors including delivery networks, city commuting, and rural transport. One of the most impressive features of this upcoming model is its claimed 400-kilometer range on a single charge. If achieved, this will place the rickshaw far ahead of many existing EV competitors. Longer range means fewer charging breaks, more trips per day, and ultimately more income for drivers. This extended mileage could make the rickshaw suitable even for intercity transport, not just short urban routes. The efficiency and battery life are expected to become its strongest selling points. The 2026 edition is likely to include advanced lithium-ion battery technology, improved thermal management, and longer lifecycle cells. Fast charging support is also expected, making it possible to recharge quickly during working hours. If charging infrastructure continues to expand across India, this rickshaw could become a dependable commercial asset similar to petrol and CNG auto rickshaws, but with almost zero running cost on fuel. The design of the Tata Electric Rickshaw may follow a modern, aerodynamic shape with lightweight body components. The vehicle is expected to carry better suspension, wider seats for passengers, digital instrumentation, LED lighting, and ergonomic handle design for easier control. Safety upgrades like stronger chassis, improved braking, and better stability at higher speeds could also be part of the package. The attention to comfort ensures that both driver and passengers enjoy a smoother ride, even on uneven roads. If Tata manages to launch this electric rickshaw at a competitive price, it could rapidly dominate the commercial EV market. Low running cost, minimal maintenance, and a long driving range will attract small business owners and transport operators. It is highly likely that this model could become the most economical future rickshaw for cities, towns, and villages, especially for drivers who travel long distances daily. The 2026 Tata Electric Rickshaw with its massive 400 km range stands as a powerful symbol of future mobility. Clean energy, affordability, and practicality make it one of the most promising electric commercial vehicles of the upcoming era. Thank you for watching Bike Shift. If you enjoy future vehicle updates like this, stay connected and keep exploring the world of next-generation mobility.